Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video quickly I will show you how to delete DesignCrowd account. So of course, first of all, the first step is to log in into your account. I'm already logged in. After logging in, go to account settings. In here, go to account settings once again from this settings menu. Scroll down, and as you can see, there's no delete account button. So in this case, the only way to delete our account is to, of course, refer to the customer support. So for that, go to Contact Us. So choose I'm a customer. In the topic, choose Technical Help. Continue to Contact Form. And in here, basically, insert your email. And in the message, type in that you need to delete your account. And after they approve it, they will contact you and you will get your account deleted. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If this helped, please subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.